You know that girl that has a different look every time you see her? She always looks put together, without looking overdone, in a slightly different way every time. The only reason why you've been stumped at doing this yourself is because you've been doing the same routine day after day, and you never really learned how to do your makeup properly to begin with. I've got a really epic training coming out next week that you're gonna wanna be a part of, but more on that in a second. I'm Megan Brown, a professional makeup artist, also known as your personal makeup bestie, and I'm here to help you enhance your own features while looking natural in a minimal amount of time. So if you're ready to be your own makeup pro, be sure to join this free masterclass. And subscribe if you haven't already. It's hard to step out of your comfort zone when you've been using the same techniques and the same products just to get the job done. I'm assuming since you're here watching this, you want to switch it up, but just feel stuck with what to do and how to do it. What if I told you that the main problem is that you just don't understand how to enhance your unique features while using makeup? You've been using the copy-paste approach to mimic what works for other people but doesn't work for you. Learning how to enhance your own features is a game changer. It also allows you to understand how to use inspiration and translate it onto yourself. Whether you do your makeup on occasion or every day, switching it up is essential as we age, and it makes it just so much more fun. I want to give you just a few quick examples of minor changes that can be implemented today that make a big difference. 1. You could ditch your black or brown eyeliner and try something different. For example, I have a blue and a green on my eyes today. 2. Swipe that bronzer you never use across your eyelid for a little warmth and to create the illusion of a natural looking eyeshadow. 3. Go for a monochromatic look. You could use the same color on your eyes, your cheeks, and your lips. Learning how to enhance your features specific to you is the missing piece that most women don't have the opportunity to learn. This is why I'm hosting a free masterclass on Wednesday, February 22nd on how to easily switch up your look in 2023. I'll be diving into the most important steps when it comes to enhancing your features and creating a routine that you're excited about and you love. If you're ready to ditch the insecurities around your makeup application and feel excited about the way you look when catching yourself in the mirror, be sure to sign up for my masterclass listed in the link below. And if you have a friend that you know would love to do this with you, share this video and sign up together. I'll see you there.